Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna change our braking pads. So enjoy. Let's begin the work. We start by removing this clip here. This one is gonna be the clip that locks actually this part here, this pin that is inside here, and that stops our braking pads from falling down. Removing this clip here, I use a screwdriver, but you can also do this with other tools that actually can fit into this hole. Push the cylinder of this clamp here inside. When you use them, they consume, and there is a piston that comes out from here that push them to the disc. So we are going to push it back inside just by pushing all the pieces together. It moves. You can see by yourself, if I stick back the pin into, there is a lot of space in between. So back, we're going to remove them. So we remove each side, take the pin here off, the other braking pads. Just to compare them, here we have the new one and here the used one, so you can actually see the difference from them. This kind of shape here has to fit into something that is inside. You have to push it up in position. You can see that actually fit. Okay, now it locks inside. So we take the other part. Here we have brand new. We slide it into the brake. Okay, so we put back the pin and we can see that the brake is now working. We put the link here. We will put this link here in position back, so this part will go inside, and then we will be ready to put the clip back together with all the brake, and the rear brake is done. You take back your clip here, just push it. Now let's pump with the rear brake. Okay, now we are going to remove the braking pads from the front brake of the bike. This one. For this one, I'm gonna remove this part of the brake out, and just to show you how does it look in this side, inside here, when I will remove the braking pad. So let's start by removing these two. We are just going to remove this and this one just to bring the brake out. Now we are going to remove this. You can see it come loosen. The other screw here. So as the other brake, here we have the pins that we have to remove from the brake to take out the pads. Okay, you can see that we have loosened them. We are going to remove the clip here first. Second. So then we have to remove, as in the rear brake, we have to remove the pin from the bottom, in this case of that, and you can see they come out. Whoa, opa! So I will let you see inside here. As you can see, maybe you can see here, there is a little bit of space where the braking pad stays, and when I take one of them, let's the left one, or no, sorry, this is the right one. So the left one, it will go into, and this part here, this one, is gonna be there, and it's locked on the top. So we're gonna rebuild everything together. So here is the first, okay, the second one, they are both inside. We take the pin here back, so it's locked here. Now we take the two pins, so we take the pin and we put them back inside. In this way we put the brake back, carefully, take the screws, I will let you see how I push on the lever to set back the braking pads in position. So here we have the lever and we gently push it back. Not the big hit, but small, very gently. Thank you guys for watching this video as always. If you want, you can click the like button down below or subscribe as well, or even leave a comment if you liked or not this video, and see you next time.